Many of you have asked for a longer form video explaining why I think there's going to be a little bit of snow coming in this Thursday. That's New Year's Day. So let's talk about it, shall we? I want to point some things out to you right here. We're looking at the North American model, the NAM 12K. It's a mesoscale model, so it's getting us a little bit higher resolution. And we're looking out 84 hours. This is 6Z rather, Thursday, January 1st. So what are we looking at right here? This is 300 millibar wind speed. This is a jet streak right here that's pushing in towards the Philly area into central New Jersey. Well, we look with jet streaks starting at 300 millibar. I'm giving you a top-down approach to why I think there will be something coming Thursday. We're looking at the left exit region of that jet streak for enhancement. That's right about here or along here. That's the strongest winds of the jet streak. So the left exit region is an area that we look for upper level enhancement. Another interesting thing to go back just a little bit here, this is 0Z Thursday, the 1st of January, or if you go back, it's about 8 p.m. New Year's Eve. You have the right entrance region of the jet streak right over North Jersey here. So there is upper level enhancement when you look at the 300 millibar wind speed. I want to take us now to 500 millibars, and I want to look at the 500 millibar vorticity, because that is a very helpful thing here in nailing down, if there's energy for this storm. And yeah, I mean, you can see there is energy for this storm, certainly. These are called vorticity maxima, or vort maxes. And as they swing through, those are areas that can enhance their precipitation. And if you are out ahead of them, basically, if you're here in New Jersey or Philadelphia, out ahead of some of these vortexes that are going to travel through, it's called positive vorticity advection, and that is really helpful in enhancing precipitation. Here we are as we go into the new year. Again, this is 8 p.m. New Year's Eve, but technically 0Z Thursday, January 1st. Here we are going throughout the 6Z time period on Thursday, January 1st. I mean, look at that, right? You got a good amount of vortexes coming through the area. So there is upper level enhancement. Finally, what about moisture, right? We need that. We can't have a storm without moisture. Let's go to 700 millibar relative humidity. All right, so this is very dry air right here in the brown. The darker greens is the moisture we need. That's relative humidity, 80, 90, 100%. But this is 21Z on Wednesday, the 31st, New Year's Eve. So we don't need it yet. Everything will line up, though, as we head towards that 3Z run. This is 3Z now on Thursday, January 1st, which means about 11 o'clock New Year's Eve evening. And look, there's plenty of moisture in place now, 700 millibars. Let's take it to 6Z. There's still moisture in place before this dry tongue of air tries to push through. So that's another thing that makes me think, hey, you know what? This could be a bit of a storm here. Another clipper, yes, fast moving. It's not going to be a major storm, but there's tons of enhancement that the guidance isn't picking up on yet, and that's kind of what I wanted to take you through here, looking at all the different levels of the atmosphere. All right, let's take a look at something else now. Multi-parameter. Let's get a look at some of the moisture, right? So how does that line up? So what you're seeing here we are again at 6Z. There is an area of low pressure. It's a weak area of low pressure, 1,002 millibars. There is moisture associated with it, but it's not showing it coming down to our neck of the woods. But with all the moisture aloft at 700 millibars, with what I was looking at before, I would bet you that as the guidance gets a little bit closer and more of these mesoscale models come in, not just the North American model, but our graph model, our high-resolution rapid refresh, this stuff's going to start to fill in because, again, the forcing is there, the vorticity's there, the upper-level enhancement's there, and the moisture's there. It's all there. So this isn't right. It's going to fill in. And we're going to have a little bit of snow as we go into your New Year's morning, as I see it now. Perhaps it'll be New Year's Eve late at night as the ball's dropping, right around 11 p.m., midnight. But that continues into New Year's Day, and accumulations aren't big. It's not going to be a big deal. It's an inch or less. I mean, probably a coating, dusting as this all comes together. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what I look at and how to decipher these models. And you got to do the top-down approach. You got to start up and come down. Thanks a lot for watching.